Greetings everyone and welcome. My name is Kris, and in today's video I'm going to be breaking down to you my two private label products and the reason why I'm not going to be reordering them. And hopefully there's something that you can take away from this and apply directly in your Amazon business. But before we get into that, I want to announce a giveaway winner from last video, Kelly, right here. Here's the comment. Feel free to reach out to me via Facebook or Instagram and we can set that up. And going forward, anyone who wants to enter in a chance for that, all you have to do is comment, like, and subscribe, and it enters you in a chance to win a 1-hour call. Now let's get back to the topic on hand, which is two of my private label products that I will not be reordering. I've talked about some of my mistakes from these two products in my past videos, but I've never really broken down the numbers, and I want to show you guys. I was doing this earlier today, and I thought, why not just make a video on this? I'm sure there's something in here that someone can take away from this. So let's go ahead and hop in the Excel sheet, and I'm going to show you guys the exact numbers and why I decided this. So if you guys notice, I have several columns and they all lead up to the last column, which is days to recoup cost or break even point. And the break even point for me is crucial because that's time that my cash is tied up and that I can't do anything else with it. And we all know in Amazon that cash flow is huge. So I wanted to see how many days it will take for the time my cash leaves my bank to the time it gets back to my bank. So I not only had to include the cost of each item, so how many I sell to reach that, but I also had to include shipping cost. I had to include the several days that it takes for Amazon to populate in the system for your items to show up on your listing. And then I also had to include the payout period, which I just added an extra 14 days. Sometimes it may be a little less depending on where it lands in the pay period. So that being said, if you look at my investment number one, it is 84.3 days. And investment number two, or product number two, which is 104 days. So that's quite a bit, in my opinion, in terms of Amazon FBA. So I think that there's an abundance of other opportunities in terms of Amazon products to invest in, whether that's private labeling, online arbitrage. I feel like there's a better way for me to invest my money. Will I reorder these in the future? There is a possibility, but right now I'm not going to. I also really think it's important to analyze the investment vehicle of which you're partaking in. So for example, right now I would make 300, and if you look at the profit column, so I spend $1,176 and profit per month, this isn't really counting break even, would be $330. Looking at it from that perspective, it may seem like a good opportunity. But I think it's really important to analyze what investment you're actually partaking in. And this is Amazon FBA. And for me, I personally I think there's better ways to spend my money, because something I didn't even include in here is the opportunity cost of me not having that money to invest in possibly more profitable opportunities. So this was a pretty quick video, guys. What do you guys think? Is there something that I'm missing here? Did I overanalyze things? Would you guys have gone ahead and went with this? Let me know in the description below, and I'm interested to hear your guys' thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.